akwaba and found Ragan and Sem TVGH so what friend me Ajua searching.
And meanwhile, the own Tanea, yet you be now your opponent or anything, but about all side I know any up now part to blow. Sheni, nay, share Cassam, we say, baby, to me up. May Master can go about and me say, no issue. Where the matter the name a person as a person. Or may Yamu bomb your bar, if you said me more train. Who are no for Yamia Mama Bema, so he describes me as a man all the time. And it's very the emotional stress he puts me through whenever he does this. Anytime I post anything, stupid people from goes on my social media and comments adding his name, even if it has nothing to do with politics. Even when I'm exercising, it's a bit, even if it has nothing to do with politics. Even when I'm exercising, it's a bit worrying. Into Yenshe near Mamubi, na Yenshe Kasemu Yesebe bit me.
Ubiani no kuku mwasem. But yan tina on my mua. Yadi ni man say, Yaso sabi impreduasa, and Branti did dimp and fuatem. Na a bit mom money yo. A den a ye home as on mine. That o time on my way, penis living in another info. Wo paji to me a wo Ghana hanging from some said ding. What you mutan Santa here, Santini. What you mutan or checking your chain. What do we get to focal? Yet, and yet, tell you too. And then, I pay a could draw so be your dear terminal on the way me a ding. Or be your dear terminal on the walk could draw. On printable words and someone cut it and I want to make kind of bedroom. Want to win to Serbia, some you kind of bedroom, and they catch them on penny. And they catch them on penny. And a small boy like bulldog, one more grow horns to meet the dinner now at them, not better. Who is he? I know look to me the years to at them. Yamin Farbon in Chow, shameful guy. I know why BBO, we have opened the floodgate. I am so sad in my spirit. I am yummy nipa, me deep bonnet, me not perfect, me hunting. But I am so sad within me. So on my crown Ghana. And the moment I'm telling about baby, you Jimmy Yakoduno. So you are able to sit on a live television. Now the dinner coupon by yes, you at them. Now if I want in church or the media Benjamin. And you're bringing the pebia, they will hail him. They will hail him. Say a freedom of expression. Freedom of expression my foot. Yeah, but now man where my associate and full swam and than your quiet. Young enemy say, oh man, you're watching for, you're on crown for, you're crobber for, you're on fante for, asante for, enzima for, you're a kubi benin now your mind, asante mine, or chin mine, fante mine, and in your miantum, like clean albums for my back what this year. Me your chini psi, the wallis antini. Cause you answer, or young cranny, or worry, say, hit a cosmo, only a crow for. Ya worry, young. It's called Johnny Cabon Yadite. Sa suban time suban fun way efri hina ba ya di ampanifo nyina atem ameye amene de Yesu Kristo e de yadi natem nyankopon ma na ba no so amenu mienu yenya ba bi nyina stupidity say a freedom of expression sa in some American nyina me kama me hu o di Ahenkan go pe bia onfanya me ya bedi mind da bia me beg me now for me no bia asre me no di da bia na se Ghana be ye Ghana we be de na ye Ghana we de na just sent me ye e mabu na ba jimi sam kwa na kan okrom a nti wo te wo kwano e di do otumfu atema asante hina atema anu wano no e ye wo sen sa wo te wano no di asante hina atem e ne sikani bi okoma ye di na atem politician bi ye di na atem ahemfu ye di na atem ya chechire man na say ye nwan China now, Dubai ni China ni you can hear call holidays no. Some of them generation. We can't just be sitting down and be watching these characters. Mama yan sorry as o mine. Mama ye would fear who mama yan kai on say you free baby ni abeduru ha. Wona na bi coin. You kun ma mi bi, you kun na bi obi de ne ho ba for ye. Ne mrantie bi se social media. Independent ni Ghana ha bi. Me to ono sabe so oyo soafo mpo na meseni pani wo mfiem na ye pagya ne mane be ye pani a mesom no oya mesoafo eni ntina man pani di gidi apaw ne se saa so ye ono no hwe so na nyamu na mai bibi You have been endorsed by certain political figures, and therefore you think you are above power. Bring it on. We are now ready. And media may say, Atama Madi or Chihi income, Atama Madi Asanti income. They are all Berman. Oh, because he said, I was so big deal be Atama, Uncle Two. Into me, Mamma, Dimmy, him, Dimmy Papatem. Would you open yourself from despite a Temu Kumadium? More do you see? Obi power a Berman, wouldn't yourself from despite a Temu. Would a moon you see? Yamu ye Yamon, Munimutia. And then attend the NHS could draw for. The Mabunu be a near break, a entrepreneurship, ya guide, ya motivate you, ya down there who you could say, what your Madrini ho. So be a media term, eco free, dear, and you may more be a leader's part at them go free beam, a Cabia. Would do a thing at me and some men do what tree. You ever seen good for boots. Good for boots. Here comes the fact that one you be a way. Boy, see me deep papaya terms are for nothing. Nandia Quaqua Shiabi, yourself and one, so I don't know what said despite in for the Sikanye, despite a cousin Mizumki, or Boom, so who did despite them. Foolish boy. You ever go to what sign somewhere more Ghana? You ever go to what send me at the German? Maybe be careful from me, Matem. Be careful because it made a Timmy Bano, me Nano. Said you mean to me, Papa could drop at and can you go on Kume? Some called me Papatem, Cardi Yami. And so when now we better what has to catch up official. Who are they in company? Who bubble with media Santini? Nonsense. Ah, oh my, would you come at Nancy Kumba so you near one person? I keep it in California, Memoyan San Media, and one day, non family, my affair, yet the social media, no, a good and penny for 9 months. 900 army. You're not the same pan army. San Grand 42 Mama. Sana chum quantity ma. Sana santi 42 Mama. Missy a sub-band ye train. In discipline, and I draw me a bosso. In discipline. Ubia a bema, ubia no ya, ubia to make just say, we don't know how say you're building leaders. Our mobile show. And ubia is at liberty. Say, Udi, and then what one? Mom baby kako. So after the mom baby kako. Bulldog we to the in another don't go for the deep papaya tema when you after Odi Jesus Christ atem. After the Jesus Christ we do. Na yes the end the new na made them go Jesus talk man. Me to me ko. But as a Christian, we will show him where power lies. Or power bema on can be or better than Sammy.
I person if my attention crack or say you see empty barrels make the loudest of noise. And so I just didn't want to pay attention to all those issues that were coming up. But assemble I mean say yeah no more Kennedy side no they are saying over and over, and I think say it needs to be addressed urgently. Any the fact say they are creating this impression that the whole Congress was
the voice Mr. Stop Papa no the way to me through or why Mr.
Mpacho you remember
What do you need through?
Say can not say meeting and say me Mpacho. Same big gray me producer see your Martin me yin free. It was also as I was saying na picture ben kra me go you say after Congress I was hearing say yeah no more Kennedy camp. They have started saying some things like it wasn't fair. They organized a conference to favor Dr. Mahama Bawumia and a lot of nonsenses that Dr. Mahama Bawumia kasa and I am Kennedy kasa. I want to say this here. Dr. Mahama Bawumia is a former vice president of the Republic of Ghana. And as a former vice president of the Republic of Ghana, he still receives national security briefing and national security detailing. Pacho, I get the same thing. Muntieniye, Dr. Mahama Bawumia, as a former vice president of the Republic of Ghana, still receives national security briefing, national security detailing. What it means, they say, Dr. Mahama Bawumia, or ye asset of the state, and in the Bebia otino any house no, or he has security protection from national security and then the police. Wherever he is going, he goes with 2 policemen who are on motorbikes to clear the road for him. Wherever he's going in this country. If he's even going to buy ice cream, as a former vice president, he has the benefit of using a motorcade. 2 policemen ahead of him. Now, the reason I'm saying this is to tell you that not all Ghanaians are the same. We are not all the same. No, we are not. No. So, you cannot say, because we all go to Congress, all of a sudden, we have all become the same. So if they allow one person to talk, then they must allow the next person also to talk. It is nonsense to say that, number one. Number two, people are saying, and these our friends are still saying, they allowed Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a candidate to blah, blah, blah. Mpamucho. We all went to Congress. We knew Congress was for a particular purpose, which was amendment of the Constitution. As of Saturday, now you Congress on Nobody was an aspirant, nobody was a candidate. Because we have not even opened. Now let's even assume they had opened nomination and people were aspirants or candidates there. What it means is me and me has a